If you're looking to make videos without having to show your face and or be the spokesperson for your company, this video is for you. This is Adam with DIY Agency, and today's video is going to be all about Synthesia. And a lot of companies are out there trying to promote their products, but they don't want to be the guy or the girl that's in the video and also answering the phone to try and close the sale. Or you're just generally a marketer that doesn't feel comfortable being in front of a camera, and that's where this company comes into play. It's AI videos and voice that allows you to kind of utilize a AI generated spokesperson for whatever your content is. So let's talk a little bit about what are the features. So they have AI avatars, they have AI voices, they have video templates, and then you can create a custom AI avatar as well, which is an interesting cool case. For use cases, primarily what we're going to be doing is marketing, customer service, and sales enablement. So sales training videos, how-to and product videos is really where probably most of my audience is going to be utilizing this. We'll talk about pricing real quick before we go any deeper. Generally speaking, it is $22.50 a month for the personal plan. And that's going to give you one seat, one user essentially, 120 minutes of time video per year, 10 scenes per video, which is a decent amount, 90 different AI avatars, 120 languages and voices, AI script assistant, built-in screen recorder, the ability to upload images, video, music, blah, 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 blah. And of course, one webcam avatar. So the difference being is if you're going to be using this in volume, and I do recommend maybe you check it out and try it out with the personal plan first, but once you realize that you're going to be going over the 120 minutes a year, you're going to be making a lot of content, you're going to want to talk to them and create an enterprise version. So that'll be more of a custom number of seats, unlimited videos, which is really the key here, 50 scenes per video, 140 AI avatars, 120 languages. Basically speaking, it is for volume. If you're going to be doing a lot more than just one sales video or one presentation, you're going to want to check out the enterprise version. So a lot of capabilities there. And again, really what it's going to do specifically, in my opinion, the difference between those two plans is the number of scenes, the number of videos per month, number of total videos that you can make based on the minutes that are available. And if you have users other than yourself, so if you have a VA or if you have an employee that's going to be doing any kind of work with this, that's where it really comes into play. And then of course the AI avatars, it gives you a lot more options with the enterprise plan versus the main plan. They do come in with a couple different templates and stuff like that. Nothing really critical here, in my opinion, other than the ability to maybe share your branded page. Stuff like live support is there. So to me, it's really a no-brainer to stick with the personal plan if you're just going to do a little bit, like 12 short videos a month or a year. But if you're going to be doing any kind of volume, again, you want to talk to them and create a custom plan. So let's talk about if you do want to check out more information, book a demo, check out their case studies, and look at some sample videos. Now they do have an academy. With any good product, there is usually a training behind the scenes that'll give you a little bit more info on how to utilize it better and the like. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just jump right in, and we're going to create a video from start, and we're going to act as if we're doing this for the first time. So once you get your account set up, you're going to land on a page similar to this, and really what it gives you the ability to do is create a brand new video, which is what we're going to do here. And so when you create this, I do want to point out that there's an opportunity to select a voice, or you can upload a voice. You can actually sync this with Descript, which I've used before, but I'm going to be an American, so I'm going to be looking to use English. And what we're going to do is we're going to upload a script here, and so if you're not using another program, you can just type one in, but I'm going to just create one with ChatGPT really quick and upload it into the platform. All right, so what I ended up doing was just grabbing the description of a previous video just because I wanted to test it out a little bit, and so I'm typing it in here. It's about 2 minutes worth of content. So that's a nice little feature here, is when you can understand exactly when you're limited in the amount of video time or time that you're available or allowed to utilize in this software. So it'll give you an exact number of time that this video is expected to create, which is pretty sweet. I'm going to turn on music and we're going to pick something at random. We're going to, let's see, layout. I'm going to do something like this, because why not? We're going to allow that. And again, this is just the one scene. So let's see here. We're going to change out the avatar because I'm a dude. So let's go with Jonathan and see how this works. And we're going to press play and get a draft preview. Now this may take a moment.
Today, we're diving into a super important topic: why some Facebook ads just don't quite hit the mark. The secret. It's all about catching people's attention.
All right, so he's not moving. So having never used this before, we're going to go ahead and generate. It's going to take about 15 minutes. So let's see here. What are we going to call this? We're going to call it, how to grab attention. We're going to include captions, and it's going to take about 15 minutes to process. So obviously I'm not going to make you sit and watch that. So once it's done processing, we'll jump right back into it. All right, so while we're waiting, we still have about 13 minutes, so it's actually going to be a little bit faster than the 15 minutes. While we're waiting, I want to show you the integration that I was talking about. So one of the things that you can do is connect your Descript overdub. So this is actually pretty neat and something to consider. I have previously done Descript videos, so check out the channel and just search for Descript and you'll see my reviews on them. It is one of the better AI avatar platforms as far as voice that's out there. And so basically what you can do is train the AI with your own voice so that in a situation like this, specifically, you're able to actually use your own voice and do that. So let's get that connected. All right, so I'm going to be very clear here. It takes a lot of crazy work to put together the API here. So to me, while it might be pretty damn cool, when you start getting into kind of coding and stuff like this, it becomes a heck of a lot more complicated. And so for me, quite frankly, I'm always looking for easy, simple solutions. So while it's there, I'm not going to be doing it, and I'm not going to recommend it today because most of my audience is not going to be going to need it that badly. And if you do, the capability's there. But once you start talking about how to get code like this and extract stuff, it's not as easy as it might appear. Certainly not that easy for the average user. So we're just going to go ahead and skip that. So apologize for taking you down that path, but just wanted to understand that it is there as a capability. It just doesn't seem to be very simple and easy to connect. All right, so it only took 11 minutes to put this together, and it took up 2 minutes and 12 seconds of my 12 minutes per month, or I'm sorry, 10 minutes per month. So again, just something to consider. So let's see, we can publish, we can download subtitles, we can save as a template, we can move it. But let's go ahead and just check it out. And again, we'll see how what the capabilities are, just so you have a quick understanding.
Today, we're diving into a super important topic: why some Facebook ads just don't quite hit the mark. The secret. It's all.
So I never really like doing a live feed demonstration, so I'm going to download this real quick because sometimes it just doesn't come up too well when you're trying to, my internet's actually pretty fast, but connecting to servers and stuff like that isn't going to really give us in my opinion, what I hope, a very good demonstration of how the mouth syncs up. I do like that it's got the captions here.
Awesome tips. All right, let's break it down.
The voice sounds pretty good, but again, let's just see what the capabilities are like when we actually get the downloaded video to play. All right, so let's drag this video open now that it's downloaded. It downloaded super fast, and let's see how nicely the sync is with the lips. And I'm gonna actually not talk for this so that you can hear it a little bit, possibly through my speakers. But and I know the audio is not going to be great when you hear that, but I just want to see if it syncs up a little bit better.
Today, we're diving into a super important topic: why some Facebook ads just don't quite hit the mark. The secret. It's all about catching people's attention right from the get-go with eye-catching images and videos. So if you've ever wondered why your ads...
So it's not great by any stretch, especially the opening couple seconds. However, if I'm going to shrink it down, you know, again, depending on the size of the video player,
to a super important topic. Why some Facebook ads just don't quite hit...
It's actually not too bad. So, you know, worth considering there. And, you know, what we'll do is we'll try and see if we can go in, and once it's made, can we edit it? And so what we're going to do is we're going to change out the avatar and find somebody different. So, and we're going to shrink him down, which I didn't realize is a capability, which is nice because, again, if you're going to be struggling on the lip reading stuff, that you know, is important to have that. So let's just say young man, because I'm a young guy, right? So we'll look at some of the capabilities, voices. Hey, let's see, nobody in a hat. So let's go with Jack instead. Maybe he is in a hat. Can we tell if Jack's in a hat? Yeah, Jack's wearing a hat. And let's see. So that's another thing. You can do a full body. You can do just a voice, circle. So some nice little options there. And then let's see if we can change the background layout again. And let's see, because I don't really love that one. I don't want to have too much of the... having your logo actually might be a pretty good thing. So we're going to replace the scene, and we're going to swap out a logo real quick. And what we'll do is just upload our media. So when you replace the media, your logo or whatever, there are a couple different options. You can crop it, you can contain it, which is probably what I would suggest, and you know, you can stretch it out, make it bigger, do all those different things. Again, you can still go circle, you can go full body, and then let's just go back to the logo. So you can make it do a lot of different stuff with the blur and all that. You know, it's up to you guys how you want to work with that. You can make it animated. You can do all kinds of different things. So let's go back to the actual. So the layout's strong. I like that much better. I thought that we had changed out. Yep, we're going with Jack, and we'll make him a little bit bigger. And we'll go ahead and generate this. So again, it's going to take a little bit longer, but I wanted to show you the capabilities and see if the second person is a little bit better. So we'll cut back when that's done. All right, so we can now take a look. We're going to download it as well, but we're going to take a look at what the new version looks like. Again, just...
Today, we're diving into a super important topic. Why some Facebook ads just don't quite hit the mark.
Already, I can tell you I like the visual of this gentleman a little bit better than the last one. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and we'll go ahead.
Today we're diving into a super important topic. Why some Facebook ads just don't quite hit the mark. The secret. It's all about catching people's attention right.
So this looks so much better. I can't even tell you the difference, in my opinion. Again, I'm going to let this play a little bit longer. I hate to make you watch a video on a video, but I do want you to see the syncing capabilities are much, much better.
Today, we're diving into a super important topic. why some Facebook ads just don't quite hit the mark. The secret, it's all about catching people's attention right from the get-go with eye-catching images and videos. So, if you've ever wondered why your ads aren't...
So it's far from perfect, but man, that is pretty good. So if you're looking to spit out a lot of content during the course of the year, for example, and you're looking to not be on screen, you can always go with a faceless video, or you have this option now, and I think this is a pretty darn good option. I would obviously make sure that you do some testing with all the different avatars to get a good feel for which one represents your brand a little bit, the best way, and from there you can really put out a lot of content, maybe working with some YouTube shorts or TikTok videos or Instagram reels or whatever, or you can go with something a little bit longer. For me, I think the more content you have, obviously it's going to require that much more syncing capability, so it would probably be best utilized in a short video. And so I think it's really worthwhile to give it a shot. So there's a link below to give it a test. Also, as with everything, I always want to recommend affiliate programs when possible. So Synthesia has a nice little affiliate program, and I like it for two reasons. First, it's a decent amount, 20% commission on all personal plan payments within the first 12 months. So that's a pretty good, decent plan. Obviously, it sounds like they're not giving you any kind of enterprise commissions. Up to you how you want to promote it. A 60-day cookie could be better. As an affiliate, I always look for a lifetime or at least a 90-day. So guys, if you're listening, you can improve your affiliate program there. But I do like when they start to give you away some product as part of this promotion. So 1 year free personal account after your 10th sale. That's pretty sweet. And then if you're making 20 sales, they give you a custom avatar. That's a nice little uptick in just an added bonus for whatever you're looking to do. I'm sure there's tons of little things in here like don't promote with PPC and all that. But overall, seems like a really nice platform to check out. And so again, I'm going to have a link below. If you have any questions or concerns about this product or any other experiences, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Till the next video.